happy to be the part of the Quest Global Hackathon. We, the team Young Minds, here to present you on the topic Generalized Virtual Human using Augmented Reality and NLP. Myself, Amrish Kumar, and my teammate Sadvik Reddy, here to present you. Let me walk through the presentation. Every human in the world needs assistance at any point of his time, whether it's a museum or a car showroom to explain him the feature of the car. Currently, the assistants are provided through humans as well as chatbots, but they have their own advantages as well as disadvantages too. Where humans are good in enhancing the communication with the customers, but sometimes they make you false data like saying the mileage of the car 22 kilometers per liter instead of 18. And currently, due to the COVID situation, the human assistance is also being reduced. So, leaving back the chatbot. Chatbot may be good in giving the accurate details to the users, but the interaction between the customer and the chatbot is reduced because of old traditional messaging like UI. Thus, to solve these disadvantages, we made a project in which augmented reality character will give human-like feel as well as the accurate data. And it can also work 24/7, 365 days a year. Now let us watch a small animation explaining the working of the project. Then we will discuss the architecture diagram.
Hi, let me take you to the working of the project. Once I speak to the AR character, it converts my speech to text and then sends to the NLP to process the queries. Once the query is solved, it replay back to the AR character. Then the AR character converts the text message to speech and replay it to the user. Now let's look at the architecture diagram of the project to make it more understandable.
To explain the project in a simpler way, let us split them into two halves. The first half is written in the C# for the augmented reality, speech to text and text to speech. The second half is written in Python for general conversation as well as for the generalized NLP part. And these both are connected through socket programming. Now, let's discuss the flow of the project. Once the user speaks, the speech is being converted to text and sent to Python through socket. Then the Python analyzes whether it is a normal conversation or the NLP part. Accordingly, it just sends the reply through the same socket. Then, once the solution is received, the C# converts the text to speech and reply back to the user. Now let me demonstrate the project to you. Let me start the server. The server is starting up. It's loading all the AMI file. It is connected to the socket and waiting for the client to get connected. Now let's launch the client.
Hi there. Array mileage is 7.69 kmpl and city mileage is 3.22 kmpl. (6,498 cc). Automatic. (110 liters). Don't mention it.
Now let's discuss the key feature. The first key feature is highly interactable. The augmented reality character gives a human-like feel which enhances the interaction between the customers. Next, it is platform independent. We can deploy them in Android, iOS and also web. And it is also reusable and highly customizable. You can customize the NLP as well as the augmented reality as per your own wish. If you have existing NLP to connect, you can connect the augmented reality to any other existing NLP or vice versa. Let us now discuss the business model. It is platform independent, thus giving us the more number of crowd to use the application, and it can also be deployed in every sector where is a service provider or assistant provider. For example, our product can help a computer companies to solve the queries of a customers related to repairs, warranty, etc., or to provide hospital patients or manage their appointments, etc. Companies will be interested in our project as we reduce their employee hiring cost and provide them better service to their customer with less cost. The application of the project is it can be used in each and every sector where the need of assistance like tech support, museum guide, salesperson, etc. Thus, our project will help various sectors to reduce their employee cost and make their services available for their customers 24/7, 365 days a year, even under a COVID situation like this. In future, we are planning to add mixed reality to the project by which it will interact with the surrounding, which may give the human or the user a much more human-like feel. And we are also planning to add few animations so that it can interact with the user. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my project.